Amazon's Echo devices and prices, how much they cost, when and where to buy them. Amazon's Echo devices and prices, how much they cost, when and where to buy them, posted on September 26, 2019, published by Loyal World News. Share on Facebook, tweet it, share on Google, pin it, share it, email. Amazon held an event in Seattle on the 25th of September to announce a slew of new Alexa-enabled devices, ranging from smart glasses to even a smart ring. It held a similar event last year, so we suspect this might become an annual hardware launch that the company holds every autumn, which is exciting if you love Alexa and new Amazon gadgets. Also, Amazon hardware event, meet the new devices. There were over a dozen new devices unveiled at this year's event. To help you sort through all the announcements and get straight to the bits that matter, ZDNet is rounding up every device here, along with their prices, release dates, and where you can buy them. Every new Amazon device at the moment, the only retailer available is Amazon, obviously, though we will update this piece with reseller details shortly. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:38:00 p.m. JPG ring fetch price, not yet announced release date, sometime in 2020. Where to buy, presumably Amazon. Amazon has a new secure wireless standard, called Amazon Sidewalk. It's a low bandwidth protocol for ultra-low power devices, helping them to connect over long distances. The first device to use it is a connected collar from Amazon, called Ring Fetch, which will allow you to track your dog and geofence your yard and get an alert when it leaves. Alexa Smart Oven price, $250. Release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from November 14th. Where to buy, Amazon. Amazon seems to be following up on its Alexa-enabled microwave from last year, by introducing a smart oven that's a do-it-all countertop appliance. It works as a microwave, convection cooker, air fryer, and a food warmer. It also features Alexa, so you can tell Alexa to preheat your oven to a certain temperature or set a timer without pressing buttons. Note, the smart oven requires an Echo to work, so Amazon said it's including an Echo Dot with every purchase. Amazon Echo Buds price, $129.99. Release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from October 30th. Where to buy, Amazon. Amazon announced its own true wireless earbuds to rival Apple AirPods. Co-developed with Bose, they feature specialized active noise reduction that can be switched on or off with a couple of taps. There are two outer mics and one inner mic to reduce ambient sounds, as well, and voice assistant support includes Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. The Echo Buds are also IPX4 rated for sweat resistance and can withstand rain and splashes. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:34:41 p.m. JPG Amazon Echo Dot with clock price, $59.99. Release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from October 16th. Where to buy, Amazon. Amazon introduced a new Echo Dot with an LED light display on the front. It looks similar to the second-gen model, which is still available for $49.99, but it can display the time, your alarms and timers, and the temperature outside. This makes the new Echo Dot with clock the perfect alarm clock on your bedside stand. You can even snooze it with a tap. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:33:59 p.m. JPG Amazon Echo Flex price, $24.99. Release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from November 14th. Where to buy, Amazon. Amazon has a new Alexa-equipped wall plug, called Echo Flex, which doubles as a smart speaker. Amazon said it's the cheapest way to add Alexa to your home. Plug it into an outlet, and Alexa can control your smart home devices, check the weather, and make announcements. It's also equipped with a motion sensor and can serve as a smart night light. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:33:38 p.m. Amazon Echo Frames price, $179.99. Release date, September 25th, invitation only. Where to buy, Amazon. Amazon unveiled a new wearable, called the Echo Frames, as part of a new lineup of Day 1 edition devices. These are beta test products Amazon is still developing. Frames aren't Google Glass-like augmented reality device, they're a wearable Echo device with two inward-facing speakers and some nifty-looking prescription eyeglasses attached. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:33:18 p.m. Amazon Echo Glow price, $29.99 release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from November 20th. Where to buy. Amazon's new Echo Glow is a simple smart light designed for kids. It will link up with Alexa, so kids can take control of it and change its color as they wish. It acts as a night light, and it can flicker like a campfire, fade at bedtime, and cycle through a range of colors. Amazon also said there's going to be a dance party mode for linking up with music. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:32:59 p.m. JPG Amazon Echo Loop price, $129.99 release date, $129.99 invitation only. Where to buy. Amazon announced as another Day 1 edition beta device. The Echo Loop is a smart ring you wear on your finger. It has a titanium body that houses 2 microphones and the smallest speaker ever used on an Echo device. The Loop pairs with your phone for connectivity and has a small button that awakens Alexa. It vibrates whenever Alexa is activated. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:32:35 p.m. JPG Amazon Echo Show 8 price, $129.99 release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from November 21st. Where to buy. Amazon's new Echo Show 8 features an 8-inch HD display, which is larger than the 5.5-inch display on last year's Echo Show 5. Amazon has also added a built-in camera cover. Amazon suggested the Echo Show 8 is perfect for your kitchen. Food Network is even creating exclusive content for it, including interactive cooking classes with Chef Bobby Flay. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:32:13 p.m. JPG Amazon Echo Studio price, $199.99 release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from November 7th. Where to buy. Amazon The Echo Studio is an all-new Echo featuring Alexa, 5 built-in directional speakers, and 330 W of power comprised of 3 2-inch mid-range speakers, 1 1-inch tweeter, a built-in 5.25-inch bass driver, and a bass port. It also has a 24-bit DAC and a power amplifier with 100 kHz of bandwidth, along with Dolby Atmos and Sony 360 Reality Audio. Image the 25th of September 2019 at April 31st 35 p.m. JPG Eero Mesh price, $249 release date, available September 25th. Where to buy. Amazon announced its first mesh network Wi-Fi system since acquiring Eero. It consists of 3 mesh network devices that can blanket your entire home in stable, adaptive wireless signals. You plug one device into your home modem or router in modem mode, and the Eero will handle all the network requests, both wireless and wired. Image the 25th of September 2019 at 4:56:44 p.m. JPG Ring Alarm Retrofit Kit price, $199 release date, not yet announced. Where to buy. Presumably Amazon's new kit adds Ring Alarm smarts to your existing home security installation. It can use the existing sensors in your house, rather than you having to install a complete new range of Ring sensors. Amazon emphasized the DIY aspect, but it's not completely clear how it will come together and which systems it will support. Image the 25th of September 2019 at April 29th 55 p.m. JPG Ring Indoor Cam price, $59.99 release date, available September 25th. Where to buy. Amazon has announced a new Ring Indoor Cam that can be mounted pretty much anywhere you like, as there is power nearby. It features 1080p video, 2-way talk, night vision, live view and motion detection. And it will be compatible with 3 new modes, home, disarmed and away, that Amazon said will launch in November 2019. Image the 25th of September 2019 at April 29th 25 p.m. JPG Ring Stick-Up Cam price, $99.99 release date, pre-order September 25th, shipping from October 23rd. Where to buy. Amazon. Last but not least, the new Ring Stick-Up Cam is supposedly the most versatile of the Ring cameras available. It will work indoors and outdoors and can be plugged into the mains, run from its battery, or powered by a solar-powered accessory. There's 1080p HD video supported, plus motion detection, night vision, 2-way talk, and the new modes. For more great deals on devices, gadgetry, and tech for your enterprise, business, or home office, see ZDNet's Business Bargain Hunter blog. Affiliate disclosure: ZDNet may earn a commission from some of the products featured on this page. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.